Hey, what's happening, guys? You're probably wondering why we're looking at our 1993 Toyota 22RE pickup truck today. We've used this over the years for a test mule of products. About a year ago, we did a 2-year coating on the paint, and we applied a glass coating to the windows as well. And you can see that in that time frame, it's still really holding up well. Extremely hydrophobic. Water's running right off of it. It's made maintenance a breeze. We've literally washed this truck 2 times in the last year. It's mostly outside, indoors at night and on occasion. It's driven quite a bit in that time frame. It's got about 200,000 miles and paint patina all over it. But it's been such a great little truck that we've wanted to take care of it. You can see how well the coating is holding up. Again, this is a year into a 2-year coating. Water's still running right off of it, and it's been very easy to deal with, to take care of. It always looks great, and the rain pretty much washes it for us most of the time. So this is a good typical example of what to expect 1 year into a 2-year coating.